Hey guys, so in today's video, I want to show you how I trade meme coins using this BONKBOT. You can earn from 3% up to 100% daily trading meme coins on Solana network. So I am making like 10 to 30% daily from this BONKBOT. Okay, so I found this very powerful bot, and the only thing we cannot do from here is place limit orders or sell orders. We can only trade manually, but this is very fast. As per my experience, I'm really loving this bot. So I will show you guys the live trades. And by the way, I will put the list of meme coins that I am trading, which is very stable and which I am making money. So let's be very careful in trading these meme coins. This is very volatile. Don't trade those meme coins that has a very small liquidity or just launched on Solana network, because yeah, as per my experience as well, I will show you here. I have trade some of those pump and dump coins, which is we can lose all of our money from those meme coins. That's why I will list down below those meme coins that are very stable, and we can have like 3% up to 100% daily profit. All right, so my favorite one is this Ada. Okay, this is not Cardano. Okay, this is Ada dog, which is the Solana founder's dog. So you can see here I have 8.09% profit, and the value now is 319 US dollars, and we are earning or trading in Solana, guys. Okay, it's not USDT. So this is one of the great things here. We are trading on Solana network. Now while we are waiting for the value to hit its all-time high, we can also multiply our Solana using this BONKBOT. Okay, so you can see also on the first one, you can see this Honda Civic 2001. Yeah, this is one of the meme coins on Solana network, and I tried to trade this, and you can see that I lost 41% so far, and this is running for like 3 days now. So as long as I am not selling this, it's okay. I'm still waiting this to recover, so I'm not selling this until I see the rise of the coin again. So yeah, I'm not, just like I've said, just choose the meme coins that are stable enough, like this Ada. And yeah, you can also see I am losing 20% from BOK meme coin. And this woke friends, you can see I lost 92.81%. But yeah, I just trade like $7 worth of Solana on this woke friends. I just tried, guys. So yep, I am just letting it run until it recovers for like few more dollars, and I will close it. So just like I've said, I will list down the coins or the meme coins that are profitable. So don't ever trade this pump and dump coins. Okay, I just tried, guys. So yep, so far you can see my net worth. I have 5.09 Solana, and I just started 3 Solana tokens from this BONKBOT. And by trading meme coins, I was able to accumulate it into 5 Solana coin, right? So this is how you do it, guys. You can start with just $10 or $5 worth of Solana and start a trade. So yep, I will show you how. So click start, and you will see all of my meme coins that I'm trading right here. So yep, it went down. The ADA, it's 6.39. We saw it 8% a while ago. Okay, BOK is minus 20%. Frog minus 2.58%. Woke Friends is minus 92%. So I will try to sell this ADA. Okay, so you can see the buttons here, sell and manage. There you go. So you can see this on the first one, used car. So of course I'm not selling it, I'm not closing this trade. Just click on next, and you can see 6.39%, And the net profit for this ADA is 4.22%, which is okay for me now. Okay, I can sell this. So just click on sell 100%. It means I can sell all of my positions here. So click on sell. There you go. So this is how fast the trading is. So this is a very profitable bot. So instead of going to Radium or other exchanges, you can use this BONKBOT to trade really fast to catch the volatility of this meme coins in Solana network. All right, so yeah, I have already sold my ADA and I've earned 4.22%. So if you click on next, you can see the other tokens that I'm trading. So of course, I'm not selling this because I am on minus 2.58%. So click on next. All right, there you go. So woke friends, and all right, so there you go. So go on to Dex tools. I'm using Dex Screener and CoinGecko. So on Dex Screener, you can see here, all right, you can see this ADA, which I just sold a while ago. So every time when it's on its bottom, right, for example on here 0.004999, you can buy ADA token, and then you can sell fast using BONKBOT when it went high, like up to this level. So how you can trade, just click on this back button, and then I've listed here on my watch list. Okay, you can copy this list of meme coins, but my favorite one, which I'm always making money multiple times already, is the ADA, People, also this Ribbit, and my number one favorite is EggDog. You can see it's 52.7% gains today. So these meme coins are very profitable if you use BONKBOT on trading. So every time, so like for example, let's click on EggDog. So every time the chart went down here, like for example here, you can immediately copy contract address. So let's click again the EggDog, and you can see the contract address here. Just click on that and it'll automatically copy, and go back to your Telegram BONKBOT and click on start. All right, and you can see this buy button here. You can also set up your buy and sell amount or price on the settings. So click on settings, and you can see here the buy buttons configuration. If you want to do the fast trading, you can set up like 0.2 Solana. When you buy, just one click and it will buy 0.20 worth of Solana of that certain coin. And if you want to set up on the right button, like for example just one whole Solana for that certain meme coin, if you want to buy in one click, you can set up that. Okay, then you can also set up the auto buy. All right, and in my case I have disabled it. So you can explore buttons of this BONKBOT. Let's close this, and yep, you can see the buy button here. So click on that. This is just to show you how to buy. So paste the wallet address that you've copied. So this is for EggDog. So say for example we copied this, so click send, and you can see this current price of EggDog. And on the option below, you can see I have set up 0.20 automatic one click buy. Okay, if I want to buy 0.20 worth of Solana, or one whole Solana, or if you want to buy, like for example you only want to buy 0.1 Solana, you will click on buy X Solana. All right, and then you will type in 0.1. all right, so if I click on send, this will execute the trade. It will buy me a 0.1 worth of EggDog. So I will not continue this, but that's how you do the trading on this BONKBOT. All right, So yep, that's how it is, guys. And you can see I have my wallet balance for 4.3 Solana, and I still have running trades here. So this Woke Friends is like this is just testing, guys. I just tested it, and yeah, I lost 92.80%. So it means we don't want to trade those pump and dump meme coins, so be very careful. This is very volatile. I will tell you guys which are the good meme coins to trade. All right, you can see here EggDog. If I push the buy button, I am already on profit, so I can easily immediately sell the that EggDog, and I have a profit already. So yep, that's how you do it, guys. And yeah, you can see those running trades at the bottom here. So the coins that I'm trading, and which is very profitable, very stable, and for sure it will not dump, just like these Woke Friends here. So you can see this is really at the bottom, so you can click on charts and transactions here. You can see this at the bottom right now, but hopefully it will go back up again. You can see here that it went all the way up to 0.01, which is really high. So hopefully this will go up. Let's try to click on 4-hour view here. It's trying to go back up, and hopefully it will come back up here. So you can see here it went at the bottom, and it goes slightly up at 0.0039. So hopefully it will come back up again. So as long as I'm not selling or closing the trades on my BONKBOT, I still have a chance to get back my capital. But end of the day, I'm still in profit. Just like I've said, I've started with just 3 Solana tokens from this BONKBOT. So I just started using this for a week now, and I am enjoying it, guys. All right, so that's how you do it. And I will upload more videos and tutorials about this BONKBOT. But for now, you can explore, you can sign up from this BONKBOT, and try to trade for like just $10 worth of Solana. All right, so how you deposit your Solana to start trading here, just click on wallet. There you go. And see this deposit Sol. So just click on that, and it will give you the wallet address to deposit your Solana. Okay, you can start with just $10 worth of Solana. All right, you can also withdraw your Solana, and it's really fast, guys, really fast. So it's like instant. I've tried many times to withdraw and deposit Solana from this BONKBOT, and it really works. And one more thing is that you can earn bonk tokens if you share this BONKBOT to your friends, or yeah, to other people who wants to trade on Solana network.